Hi, my name is Zul. 20-something years old, I live in the big city called Jakarta and work as taxi driver. Every day, I start my day in the same way. Yeah, I know it sounds boring. Waking up from the bed, taking a shower, and getting ready for the hustle. I think driving a taxi isn't just about earning money. It's a chance to meet different people, listen to their stories, and learn from their experience. Every ride offers a new conversation, a fresh perspective, and sometimes even a spark of inspiration that makes me think about life in new ways. But I always feel like there is something more I can do than just driving a taxi. I love to record random things on my phone, take a photo, and make a video. Till I saw the content creators like gawx and riza inspire me with a cool editing and fresh ideas. They work so me that even simple moments can be transformed into something special. And then my brain say, what if I can make my own video?